Hello and welcome to computer class. My name is Dave, and today we're talking about the hotkey that saves so much time. I can't even begin to tell you how much time this hotkey saves. So let me switch over to my keyboard, press on the keyboard button here and bring that up to show you. If you press Control, and while pressing Control, you press C, that's copy. And if you press Control again, and while holding Control down, you press V, that's paste. It's the most effective key combination ever. And so again, that's Control C, Control V, copy and paste. So if I double click and highlight this word here, Batman is awesome, this phrase, Control C, and then go right below it, Control V, it pastes. Again, while holding Control, I press C. While holding Control, I press V. I can do it with images, Control C, Control V. And here's why this is such an effective hotkey or keyboard shortcut on the computer is because it saves so much time. Like you don't have to type something out anymore. You don't have to go reinsert the image. You don't even have to, you could do it with code too. You can highlight a block of code here. Here's a navigation section, Control C, Control V. No longer do you have to retype things that are duplicates. And there's a lot of duplicates on the computer. If I want to do a link, I double click this link in share here, Control C. This is just to one of my videos. Go back over to my Word document and Control V. It's great for inserting things, and obviously now this is totally clickable and I can utilize it. So copy and paste is probably one of the most helpful hotkeys on the keyboard. Hopefully you have learned something today and liked the video. And as always, I will see you in the next one.